Hello students, happy to meet you once again. Children, we have completed lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3 and lesson 4. Kindly open a textbook and go to the index page there, okay, and just refer to the lesson, that is first chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3 and chapter 4 we have completed. So what we are going to do is, today we are going to learn term 1, and term 1 is in page number 52. So where do you have term 1? Term 1 is in page number 52. So kindly open page number 52. So what question you have? First question, write a short notes on advantages of computer. Okay. So the advantages of computer are accuracy, speed, versatility, storage and repeativity. So now what is the meaning of accuracy? Accuracy means computer always produces correct calculation, or computer always does correct calculation. It never does a mistake. Okay, only if we misguide or if we do something wrong, then the computer will surely go wrong. So computer always does the correct calculations. Is it clear? Next is speed. Computer can carry out instructions in a great speed. Means very fast. With the speed is very fast, computer can do everything in a second. Okay, computer can carry out instructions in a great speed, faster. So it can carry millions of instructions in a second. Is it clear? Next, we are going to versatility. So what is the meaning of versatility here? Computer can perform any type of work. It can perform any type of work, and computer does not get tired. So computer can also play music for you. You can draw, you can type, you can see in railway stations you have computers for ticket booking, airports, hospitals you have seen, scanning, eye checkup, everywhere they are using computers. Next, you're having storage. So you can also store a large amount of data and instruction. You can store your lessons, notes, homework. You can also store your photos from your childhood to now. You can store all your photos. And when you want, you can ask your mom and dad, how were you when you were small? So everything you can store. And also computer supplies you the stored information. It shows you whatever you have stored. Okay. And next there you are having, that is repeativity. What is the meaning of repeativity? Computer can perform any task repeatedly. You can watch the same cartoon, you can listen to the same music, also you can also go on seeing the pictures, photos again and again. So is it clear with this first answer, children? So now I'll be going to the second answer, that is write the options of start menu. So the options. So the options in the start menu are, can you observe your control panel, then you're having program, and then you're having search, you're having run, and you're having help. Where is help here? Help and support. So these all are the options available in the start menu. So now I'll be going to the next question, that is, what is Notepad? Notepad is a software or a program which is used to create text files. So that I told you, whatever you are doing with the Notepad, that file is called as a text file. If you are typing some notes, if you are going to keep some documents, so when you save, it is called as text file. So Notepad is a software which is used to create text files. Next question there, write the steps involved in selecting wallpaper. So I have already sent you the video last class, how to change the uh, desktop wallpaper. So first what you have to do is right click the mouse button. Next what you have to do, select properties or personalize. I told you Windows XP and Windows 10. So it depends on that. Okay. Next, you have to click background tab. Next, you have to click background tab, and then next what you have to do is select wallpaper, then click apply. Okay. I hope so you understood here. Shall we go next question there? What is a text file? So the files created by using the notepad are called as text files. The files created by using the notepad are called as text files. So I hope children you are very much clear with this 5 question answers. And now I'll be going to the true or false. Kindly go to page number 53. The first is the shortcut key of paste is Control plus C. I told you shortcut. Using the keyboard keys and operating the computer is called as shortcuts. So, to paste, the shortcut key is not Control plus C, but the shortcut key is Control plus V. Okay, so the answer is false. Next, you are having copy option is present in the file menu. No, it is wrong. So, where is the copy option? Copy option is in the edit menu. Can you see here? This is edit. It is in the edit menu. In file, we are having new, open, save, save as. So, where is the copy option? In the edit menu. Are you clear? Okay. Next. We can change color of the text in notepad. No, we cannot change the color in the notepad. We can resize it. We can make it big, small. Okay, we can make it bold and all that, but you cannot change the color in the notepad. Next, to cut, we can use Control plus X. Yes, you can. Yes, correct. To cut, we are always using Control plus X keyboard shortcut. Next, you are having WordPad is a software used to type text files. So, along with Notepad, WordPad is also a software or a program used to type text files. So, the answer is true. So, children, I have completed the 5 question answers and also the true or false. And I need you to learn them well and you need to be thorough with it. Okay. So, study nicely, write neatly. Bye, children. Thank you. Take care. I love you all. Bye.